Seems putting this back together, you just lay the case on and then you go around, and as you get to the tabs, they just push back in. So I would say that's easier than any Samsung and the million screws you have to undo if you just go for it. So once you get the clips all popped in around the edges, the bottom, the trick is not actually to pry these out like you would expect. I popped in the outside and then the inside won't go in, and it's actually getting the non-tab areas. This is the tab that needs to come out. Getting the non-tab areas pushed back under this lip. And once you do that, it just clips back together. So easy.